So, I searched the entire Fortnite island, and one of the things that I found might just shock you. Also, stick around to the end of the video because I have a crazy theory about Chapter 2 coming back. But with all of that out of the way, here's 5 insane Easter eggs that will blow your mind. In the latest update, Epic added these beacons around the map, and if you played Chapter 2 Season 4, then these should look familiar to you because these are the beacons that brought the Stark biome to the game. And me personally, I love that season, so maybe they're gonna put another Stark biome on the map like last time, or maybe a few smaller ones around the map. Let me know down in the comments below what you think will happen. If we head over to Grand Glacier and do a full 180, then we should see something hidden in the ice. If we head over there, then you'll see it's actually another secret bunker. Yep, I know, another bunker. When has one ever opened? Never. This one does have like a small passcode thing on it, and I don't think any of the other ones had anything like this. Maybe this one will be the first one to open. Let me know in the comments down below if you think it's gonna open or not. In the latest update, there was a change to the boat dock in the central lake of the island. It's now looking a lot older, like some tilted town type design, but right next to it, there is this piece of a boat that reminds me of the boat from Lazy Lagoon all the way back in Chapter 1. I think it'd be pretty cool if they brought back a Lazy Lagoon type of POI, don't you? While I was flying around Nitrodome looking for more Easter eggs, I came across something shocking that you won't believe. As I was checking out this timer thing, I flew inside and oh, what does that say? Oh, it says subscribe. If you made it this far into the video, then please consider subscribing, because I would greatly appreciate it. Now, back to the video. Scattered around the map are these posters for the Metallica update. There are also these cool looking guitar statues and a few POIs that you can interact with. These could be like small teasers for the new Loot Island that spawns in later in the game, which is now completely Metallica themed and looks pretty sick. Now when I was searching the island, I was looking inside some of the houses, and there was quite a lot of paintings, and some of them were paintings of old POIs like this one from whatever chapter season, I don't remember. Or this one, which I don't know what chapter it's from either, but it's some part of the outskirts from the islands. But this one reminds me of the lighthouse from Chapter 2, and that reminded me the last season, in Season 2, there was a yacht that just sailed off into the sunset. This sucked for some of the pro Fortnite players like Kanata and Cooper because it basically just left them with less than half of their drop spot. Even I landed there and was shocked when it sailed off. But that yacht was basically the same one from Chapter 2 Season 2. So maybe it sailed off back to the Chapter 2 map for when we return in OG Fortnite 2. I hope you all enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe.